Hello today, and we're going to be doing a review of the latest operating systems from Microsoft, which is going to be Windows 10. Yes, you heard it, Windows 10. Not 9, but 10. And I think the reason why it's going to be called Windows 10 because something to do with Apple's iOS X or something like that. So Microsoft thought they'd be clever and say, right, we're not going to call it Windows 9, we'll call it Windows 10. Maybe because of the iOS X. Something to do with that, maybe. Anyway, that's probably the reason. I don't know if that is the reason actually, but I don't know, I saw it in a link somewhere, that's the reason why they're calling it Windows 10. So, let's have a look at what we've got. This is like the technical preview, so this will not be released till sometime in 2015, next year. So what you do, you can download the technical preview just to have a look at it. I think it expires in about 30 days, I don't know. But it's, well, we've got the internet on it and everything, so what is the difference? Let's have a look. So straight away we've got the start button back, which I thought was absolutely brilliant, because in Windows 8 they got rid of that start button for some stupid reason. That's one of the reasons why I did not like Windows 8. So what have we got now? We've got the start menu back, so we've got all our settings. Obviously you can add folders and stuff like Windows 7. So we've got like documents, all that. So here, interestingly, next to your name, we've got our power options. So we can either put the computer to sleep, shut it down, or restart. Instead of like, well, actually, what am I talking about? It's the same thing in Windows 7, wasn't it? But except for Windows 7, it was at the bottom, and this occasion, it's up the top. So really, they have put this start menu back, which is a good thing, because as I say, Windows 8 and 8.1 I just could not get on with. So what else we got here? So we got all these little icons here. So yeah, so I'm not sure if we get another like the Metro screen or something like that. So you can just access your email, whatever, your other apps. You can put apps on it. Windows feedback. So you got your Skype and all this, music, stat, videos, and OneDrive, which I've never used. So okay, but then the question is, when you get out, how do you access your computer? Because there's no computer, and sometimes with Windows 78 you can have the option of putting that my computer in the corner of your desktop. So where is the computer, I wonder, and where's the option? So so I suppose we have to, I have no idea. PC settings, I wonder. Let's have a look at PC settings. Okay, so we've got PC and devices, user accounts, OneDrive. So don't say nothing about what's the PC and this devices. So what do we have here? Display, Bluetooth devices. This is probably where you set up all your devices or find drivers and all that. So a little bit like Windows 8 in this respect, but I don't know, you just have to get used to it. If you're used to Windows 8 you might get used to this, but if you're jumping from Windows 7 to Windows 10, you don't know, you might have to feel your way around it. But I honestly think this is going to be much improvement over Windows 8. As I say, I did not get on with Windows 8 one bit. So it's just a matter of finding stuff. But as I say, this is only the technical preview. The full version will be coming out next year, hopefully. But will I get it? I do not know. I mean, it looks pretty interesting. Let's also have a swig of tea. What's that? So where is my computer? Where do you access all your stuff? I do not know. But as I say, let's go back. User accounts, OneDrive, no idea. So update and recovery. So this is so we can actually get already we can check for updates, but we're not going to do this because this is just, as I say, a technical preview. I think you can it only lasts about 30 days. I don't know. So preview builds. So you can. That's interesting. So even recover. So this is where you recover. So let's go back, and how do we access our? Let's click out of that. So what do we have down here? So okay, this File Explorer. So okay, this PC. I wonder what that. So here we go. So this is your hard drive. Your drives basically will all be stored down here. So you've got your network, computer. Oh, what's happening here? Don't know. What's this is all about? I'd rather have the computer in the corner, but obviously, is there an option you can do that? Oh, don't know. Home, this PC. So there's no option of the computer being in the corner. Okay. But as I say, it's just a technical preview. But yeah, I will give it a try maybe. I don't know. I mean, I'm trying it out. It looks pretty. Don't look bad. Let's have a look. Check the internet. I believe we've got internet. Yeah, I'm uploading something at the moment, so it might be a bit slow, but yeah. So we got internet with the new MSN. So okay, so we can get internet at least. Okay, so what else can we have a look at? PC set. I don't honestly. Documents. Obviously, push our right. Personalise or properties. Oh, look at personalise. I don't do nothing. Okay. Do you prefer control panel instead of the setup apps? Or how do you? Why are you supposed to answer that question? Alright, we'll click on it and see. Windows feedback. Oh, I can't be bothered with all this shit. No, I don't want it. Fuck off. Sorry. Right. I don't know what else there is. I think control panel. Is that all that's going to give you? I would like the full, like the whole entire control panel, if that was possible. Default programs, devices, downloads, homepage. All apps. Let's have a look at that. So what do we have? Alarm, calendar, camera, blah blah blah. Mail. Yes, yes, yes. So we can always click back. Gonna take a little while getting used to this. But what I want to know if it's going to be compatible with all my drivers, with my like peripherals and stuff, or do can I use the old drivers, or will I have to download all new drivers to run this software? I don't know. Okay, don't know what else there is, but let's say what's this here? Let's have a look what that is. Oh, that takes you to a store. No, I'm not going to buy nothing. Not interested. So what's this? Task view. Add a desktop. Oh, so you can add desktops. Oh, that's interesting. So you can have more than one desktop. So could come in handy. Well, that might be good for multiple monitors. So you can just choose something on here. But I will probably install the Rocket Dock, which I do have on Windows 7. I presume it'll work on this one, so I can get my computer and all them stuff. As I say, if it works with that, very good app that is, Rocket Dock. You might, if you've seen older, like my older reviews on Windows, you'll see on some of when I'm reviewing them or doing something with them, I do have a program called Rocket Dock. What it does, you go to the side or up the top, wherever, and extra icons come down and you can put extra icons in there, so that would be a good app to install and that would probably make life easier. But apart from that, looks interesting. Probably give it a go when it comes out, depending on the price of it, of course. If it's going to be like Microsoft usual rip-off, 200 quid, then forget it. You know, I suppose you've got to expect to pay that sort of amount, because that's how much they are with the latest operating system. But to be honest with you, I'm happy with Windows 7. Been using that since, I believe, when it first came out back in 2009. Been using Windows 7, been very happy with it. As I say, tried Windows 8 and 8.1, couldn't get on with it. So I might give this a try when it comes out next year. Should be interesting. They say it'll be fully developed, so it will be good maybe. Who knows? As we're going to end this review, or yeah, preview, technical preview of a review, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, a review of a preview. Okay, as we're going to end the video here, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.